Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. My name is Arsenio Ferraz and I'm one of the co-founders of Torpedo. Today I'm excited to show you how to replace your SharePoint root site with a brand new internet site you've developed. Let's dive right in. So the first step that you need is access your admin center. So click here, go to admin, click on Show All to expand the menu, select SharePoint from the list. Now navigate to Active Sites, find your new internet site and copy the URL. In this case, we are going to copy the benefit site, so let's click here and copy a link. Now let's find the root site, and which is this one, and select that one. Okay, so as you can see, we have here replace site at the top, replace the root site with a different site. Let's press here, and now you can paste the previously copied URL and paste here. So now the site is ready, and the current root site will be moved to this new URL which have the archive and the current date. So let's save it. This will take some few seconds to complete. So your current root site has been changed. As you can see here in the recent actions, root site replaced. Now if you go to the benefits, you can see that URL is now the root site for your SharePoint instance. Now let's address a scenario where you have Viva connections active, but the replace option isn't available. Here are the extra steps you need to follow. Select your current root site, and as you can see, the replace site is not available. Press Manage Home Site and then go to Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Okay, so now click on your current root site name and make sure the URL that you see is the correct one. It seems to be right, so now press delete and delete again. So this benefits was deleted, and now we can go back to our SharePoint Admin Center and refresh our page. By clicking benefits, you will see the replace site is now available. So let's change this to a different site. So in my case, I'm going to select careers. I'm going to copy this link, select benefits or your site name, replace site, paste here the URL, site is ready, same as before, press save. It's going to take a few minutes or a few seconds to take effect. Okay, so now careers is the new root site, as you can see. But don't forget to reactivate the Viva connection experience. So let's go back to the Viva connection experience. So let's refresh the page and you will see that we need to create a new Viva connection experience. Press new and then build from an existing portal to set home site. Press next, copy, paste the URL that you want. In this case is the root website. Press next and then create experience. Okay, a new experience has been successfully created. Let's close it. But when you create it, the default status is draft, so let's make it enabled. Click on careers and then on edit status, enable experience, and press save. And now you have enabled your experience. And that's it. You now have a new root site with Viva connections reactivated. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.